Good morning everyone, welcome back to Nico Nature Aquarium. Today it's Sunday. I would like to, in this episode, to show you around a bit all of the tanks I have. Tanks and ponds, and I also have an aquaponics. So I would like to show you that around today. Let's have a look. I would like to start with the pond. The pond is quite funny because this one is actually a bath that we reused. As you can see, so in the bath I use one of that floating plants that you can find on my website, and inside we've got plenty of guppies. So we are breeding guppies in this one. So guppies, couple of plants. In an episode I will show you how to get these plants right. What's the trick? So that's one. Then we have the aquaponics. For people that don't know yet, an aquaponics system basically consists on, you've got a back, alright, here where you put some of that gravel here. Okay, with the plants on top, and underneath the plants we have two tanks. So in these tanks you can find guppies on one side, and I have jade perch on the other. You can put barramundi, you can put every fish that you can find in the farm. So you feed them, the water goes back up, go back in the back, feed the plants, go back down, the fish poop in it and goes back up. It's a circle, so the plants clean the water and the fish poop in it and give a bit of nutrients for the plants. You can see it's growing mad. This is mint. We've got basil, we've got a passion fruit running from there and going all the way to the top. So that was the aquaponics for people that didn't know yet. Now, let's go to my outside tank. Okay, it's a beautiful day. Outside tank, that's it. So that's where I store some of my plants that you can find for sale on the website. Look at this beauty. This is beautiful. So this one is your mosaic plant. Very nice plant. Okay. Got a bit of everything in it. Don't hesitate, jump on my website, go and have a look. We do 15% off at the moment for a month on every orders. That was the outside tank. Now let me show you. We do have one inside, downstairs. I'll turn the light on. A quick look. Yes, it is all fake plants. So in this one would be one of my future projects. So the plan is with that is to do what we call a low tank, planted tank. So what we will do, we will pick together plants that don't need extra CO2 or liquid fertilizer. You just run them with easy simple fluoro, and that will grow. So that would be one of the next project, turn into that one into a low tech tank. That's pretty cool. Can't wait to do that. Alright. And then we go upstairs. So upstairs you will find the tank that you know, which is is my main tank, which is on the deck. We are in the morning, so it's still dark. Just get the reflection, can't see much. That's the big one. And then the last one, which is in the bathroom, the Betta tank. Betta tank. I've got that one for 2 or 3 months. This is quite good. You'll find again that floating plant that you can find on my website. It's very cheap. And it does a great job. Here you go. That's it. If you've got any questions, guys, don't hesitate, write them down. Jump on my website as well. Go and have a look. Heaps of good deals, heaps of good plans. And thank you again for watching. See you next time. Bye.